Good morning, happy people. Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Wildlife family. You don't know, welcome back to your channel. And this morning, Crazy Boy String Bean is back here with you guys again. And I must say, shout out to all my new subscribers, all the old ones, all the viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking and commenting on the videos. Really feeling the energy, keeps us motivated. All right, this morning, guys, as you can see, I'm at the seaside. You don't know, and today's video is all about catching and selling what we as fishermen would say come into the life of a fisherman for a day, right? So this morning the ideal plan is for us to go out there, catch whatever we can catch, come back, sell it, and try to make a day's pay or a living. I mean, we do it for a living, try to make a day's pay, see how much we can make today, right? So I have some of my friends up there. Pretty soon I'll get a chance to show them, but they have been in some of the older videos. So we have Shane, Concrete, and Dins with us this morning, and of course we're going into the water. We have a different method of catching some fish that we will be using today, which I'll run that through with you guys for a second, along with our spear guns. So I'll be bringing 2 spear guns this morning, my smaller spear gun and also my big spear gun in case we see any barracudas, right? And a different method, like I said, which I will show you guys. So the ideal plan is not to do a catch and cook today, is to do a catch and sell, see what our day's pay looks like today. All right, so just wish us luck, and I'll run through these things, show you guys a little bit of what we got going on, and off into the ocean. All right, yeah man, so yo, just keep watching, sticking and staying, and we'll see you guys in the water. Yeah. Alright, my people, so remember I mentioned earlier in the intro we had a new method, which is pretty, it's not an unorthodox method, but as you can see right now we have some ropes. Here we have some ropes, right? And it's tied to a piece of line with a hook and the leader, right? So the rope is to tie on the stones, and this is to pin a live fish on it to catch snappers, because oftentimes you see huge snappers but they're not giving us any shots. So we try to come up with a method, like I said, and it will be used this morning. So wish us luck and hopefully we catch something. But right now we're here prepping and dealing with what we need to get done. All right, yeah man, so that's that. You will get a chance to see it, guys, don't worry yourselves.
Different style of fishing, you know?
Yeah man.
Kingfish, barracuda, snapper, number 1.
Alright, my people, so see it there. Right now we are going to go head on out and now and go do what we need to do. So as I explained it already, so for this one we will need to get some smaller fish, small fish to be the live bait. So you guys are gonna get a chance to see it. So we have like 10 of these, alright, and then we're out there now.
Can't turn the back to you. Watch the shark.
No, look on. Yo, to the higher. Eh? No, me can't dive there, but me I say to the higher, but me never see them one day. He wanted the lower down to the higher than him.
on him, man just hook me inside him out broad way so.
Yeah, my people, so come back out of the water, I see still calm, but we set out the lines and look little lunch, because we look some willix and thing where we are going to roast up and one, you know, wait a little bit and go back in the water, keep line them about an hour or 2 or 3 hours, it depends, and go back out. So we have all the way up, let's have to head back here now, and that's that. Alright, so see you up on the grill. Yeah, my people, so see what I go on there, you know. Find some willix like me did tell you, we'll get lunch. So we have a sea cat and one barracuda. I have a couple little parrot in that same way. Try sell them. And some willix. So I go take out one in my bag, you know, and put on the fire.
Yeah.
2 more shooter there in the water, come up still, you know, reach it. You know? Alright, I know. Yes guys, so they're in a fisherman world. See it there? We don't go on bad one, go back and check the trap them one time we done the one them where you see me show, you know. We said 2 of them but it was actually 12, so go back go check them, but find a couple of lovely fish still. Barracuda for you wanna bridge in them. You don't know. So see how much you weigh and organize if you organize, you know. See we can make a DSP in idea, yeah. Say it going on my people. We have to live, you know. So my people say see what I go on there. Don't know, no mind the chicken with on the grill, like the owner grill. One do him thing with 2 pieces of bird, you know, but see it there. We like some boil. We could lunch this, you know. Yeah man. Bridging them over there, so 2 more dive will come out with a scale off a fisherman now and then, you know. Watch them man now. You know long way out of water they wait for them man. Them man have butter coming in and land, yeah, so. What I'm doing, man?
John.
I say well John. What go on? Want to tap in a shallow out the side a while ago?
I say I do the baby them in the rubber.
Okay, alright. Alright, I don't know. You see the next fisherman string there, no people. And I look bad at all. So we there wait for them and them and they stay out in the water and scale. So now we have to go scale off them. So, yeah, it's a man. You see it, my people? Stick off a little part there. And bunk so that we don't want that, you know? I tell you guys, I just lunch this enough to go back and see. It's lunch. Nice. Alright, my people, so see it here enough for sure. You see, I don't know, and joke and them never really get catch it. Them not get catch in vain. See, generally,
I know I could.
yeah, man, want 3 grand feet. Same way you don't know, cost a 3 pound.
Right there.
So, you know, you come down, make with DSP, we go back in the water and see how it go. I scale them off for the boss right now, see him, I make him go up on the road and do him thing. You understand what I say?
No.
Yeah, my people, man. So just go and stay tuned. Catch and sell, though. That's a red belly there, so catch decent barracuda. Yeah, man. I don't catch and cook that video, my people. We just go and show you how it is, you know, how we live. Fishing, we job, you know, our occupation, you know, so we have to show you, know, we not hide anything.
You know, say fishing, I don't need to go back out there.
Yeah, man, we have to go back and see, man. Nice, you know.
Walkman stereo.
Walkman stereo in him?
Yeah, man.
And that me not go to him brain, brother.
Tap use Walkman, you know, so now for change your name.
Hey. Jaja. Yeah, my people. Yeah. I found one Dr. Fish. We'll get off a fire, you know. As you see, I roast the willicks them earlier. And now I roast the fish and thing I go and well rest we go back out. Because we set some traps earlier. Let me cover him, Mike. Yeah guys, so set some traps earlier which we want to go back and check because it's been like 2 hours now since I'm out in the water. And I caught some fish earlier that somebody buy them. So I make 3 grand for the day already. Which it's not a lot, but it's better than not having anything because as you know, I was empty-handed this morning and come jump off in the water, find some fish. As a fisherman, make 3 grand. It's not a day's pay like I said, but it's better than nothing. And you have to learn to be grateful in life because it is what it is. As you know, like easy times create weak men. So time like now when it's this hard, make you stronger in a Gideon. So 3 grand so far nobody want to go back and check it trap them and see what is what. See what amount of fish we catch and thing. Kind of have a headache still, but that not gonna stop you know. And see what we get. So we can make some more money. If not, that's it tomorrow again. Yeah man, but we there going easy still my people. Soon show now I go on the grill same way, but I love all the way man. Just go and stay tuned and big up on yourself. Yeah man. Look lunch there you know. I go and sort out. See boss I see him what you done now. Yeah man, look lunch time. Yeah my boss.
Somebody have a sweep
And then we there go and easy my people man. We go back in the water soon. You know?
Yeah, man. That is it, man. That is it.
Yes, my boss. Just tired or you can make our next dive?
Right now I snap at the end of my mind.
Alright.
Right now I go loco my friend.
Yeah man, this colorfully man, we have like a craft and things over here, so see me watch it. On the beach side I look hustling, you know? Yes, boy! Yeah? Woo! Boy, my people, see it here, you know. You see it? Hard work pay off. See the line them we go set here. 3 nice snapper and next barra in the evening the same way. And you know, line them did it. Couple sea cat did it so and chub. Yeah man, so I go get myself together cause it's a whole day without seeing her from last night to this morning to today to all now, you know. Take out you them and something. Take out you them and one clean up yourself and get back on the road. Boy my people, it was an excellent day out today, you know. Excellent catch. Day of a fisherman, you know, life of a fisherman. See it there? Turn the string and me see what I go on there. Give me a 360 with the string there, see it there? Yes. Watch the sunset there in the background. Paradise to live in, man. Jamaica. Nice. You see them people? Easy does it, man. Easy does it. Cool almost full. Yeah. I say come down my people, man. You don't know, you know, love and respect, you know. Big boss, big boss. Yeah man, you say it going on. Dance?
Yeah.
Don't know. Wildlife at its best, man. Telling you know, dreamwork make it teamwork. You see power steam watch it. You? Dinner your turn. Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, my beautiful people. And I don't know, you know, so that is that, you know, and that is how it's done. You understand me? I said that method works to catch snapper and stuff like that. So anywhere in the world and you want to try it, definitely give it a shot. But make sure you have good hooks and strong lines. Alright, but this was just a day out into a fisherman's life. So now you see how it's done. Wasn't a catch and cook or anything like that. But like always guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. And see you in the next video where we go on some other adventures, alright? Big up on yourself and walk good my people. Yeah. My people, night catch we still no but see we come make one next delivery I say I know. I don't know. Sell out some of the fish them same way, so I don't see it. I don't know jokes about it, man, I know. Alright my people, so see it there? You don't know. One customer actually take 3. So in all him probably buy over 15 pounds of fish. So just to help him out and slicing it up and stuff like that, you don't know. Yeah man. People say see it yeah? You don't know, you know. What you say, oh look, oh look, oh look. T.A.D. could they? Come on. Yeah my people, see you don't know around a rock could they, you know, see bar the same way. You don't know in time when you come around and say just check out that little place the same way. Nice little spot, yeah, you don't know. Nice little spot, my boss. Can't see you, watch your
Yo.
teeth.
Teeth for days. Yeah man, give thanks man, you see it?
Alright, my people, so see it there?